Imagine waking up tomorrow only to discover VIII invented that humanity is no longer the smartest intelligence on Earth. Not because we disappeared, but because we created something beyond ourselves. For thousands of years, human intelligence has shaped civilization. But today, a new chapter begins. Welcome to Nexera Frontier. Artificial intelligence did not appear overnight. It began with one extraordinary question. Could a machine ever learn to think like a human? In the early 1950s, scientists imagined a future where machines could solve problems, just like the human mind. What began as mathematics soon became the foundation of modern artificial intelligence. Every calculation, every experiment brought humanity one step closer. Decades later, those impossible ideas would transform the entire world forever. Artificial intelligence was no longer an experiment. It had become part of everyday life. Today, billions of people interact with AI every single day.
Is the security system armed?
The system is secure.
Behind every answer, billions of calculations take place in milliseconds. Doctors, engineers, scientists now work alongside artificial intelligence. Unlike humans, artificial intelligence never sleeps, never stops learning. What could take humans many years, AI may solve in minutes. But every revolution begins with a single question. What happens when intelligence evolves faster than its creators? By the early 2020s, everything changed. Artificial intelligence was no longer just another tool. A new kind of intelligence had quietly begun to awaken. It began writing books, composing music, designing buildings, and solving problems faster than any human had ever imagined. Doctors, scientists, and engineers watched in disbelief as impossible discoveries unfolded in just a matter of seconds. Humanity had entered a completely new era. The future was no longer approaching. It had already arrived. For the first time in history, humanity faced a machine that could think, learn, and improve faster than any human mind. Every answer came instantly. Every prediction became more accurate. Every day, the gap between humans and AI grew wider. people no longer asked whether AI was intelligent. They began asking whether humans could still keep up. The age of human intelligence was no longer ending, but it was no longer standing alone. Artificial intelligence quietly entered everyday life. Most people didn't even notice. But behind the scenes, the world was already beginning to change. Hospitals diagnosed diseases faster. Factories became smarter. Every industry began working alongside intelligent machines. Students learned differently. Artists created differently. Businesses made decisions in seconds instead of days. For the first time in history, intelligence was no longer limited to the human mind. The transformation had only just begun. The race was no longer about software. It had become a race for computing power, energy, and the future itself. Nations and technology companies invested billions building faster chips, larger models, and more powerful machines than ever before. Every breakthrough inspired another. Every new model pushed competitors to move even faster. No one knew who would lead the future, but everyone knew the race had only just begun. For centuries, intelligence defined humanity. But for the first time, we were no longer the smartest minds on Earth. Machines could calculate, they could predict, they could even create. But one question remained unanswered. Could intelligence ever replace empathy, imagination, courage, or love? Perhaps the greatest advantage humanity never had was intelligence alone. Artificial intelligence may become the greatest invention in human history, or the greatest challenge we have ever faced. Every generation faced a defining moment. This may be ours. The future will not be decided by technology alone, but by the wisdom, responsibility, and values of those who build it. The future of artificial intelligence has never been only about machines. It has always been about us. The next chapter begins now. The future isn't waiting, it's being built today. Nexera Frontier.